If you're pregnant and in your first trimester, this protein-packed antioxidant-rich smoothie will help you stabilize your blood sugar levels and manage your first trimester nausea symptoms. This is an easy breakfast that packs in a lot of nutrients and antioxidants. The Greek yogurt, hemp hearts, and cashew are powerhouses of protein and fat that you need to keep your blood sugar levels stable. I call this a goodbye nausea smoothie because it literally makes you feel like your nausea went away. Try it and let me know. So you're gonna add all your ingredients in the blender, blend it to smooth, and pour it in a glass. Don't forget to use a straw to sip it slowly and steady. I hope you feel better soon, mama.